What's up, guys? Today I'm going to try to recreate my Funfetti cookies that I made probably like 4 years ago and see how it turns out. So let's get started. This recipe is really straightforward. All you need is just a box of Funfetti mix and oil and eggs. That's pretty easy, right? There you go. Chop, 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 chop. And pour the mixture in. There we go. And we need 1/3 cup of oil. So more than that. And 2 eggs. So we're just gonna mix it all together until it makes a cookie dough batter. Did younger me use a whisk, or did I use something else? Because this is starting to make my whisk into a club. I'm gonna just get a spatula. So we have no spatulas right now. It's kind of crazy. So I'm gonna just use a giant spoon. So that's basically a spatula. Okay, so this is our dough, I guess. This is really thick for cookie batter. Have I just not made like other different types of cookies before, or okay. And now we're just supposed to shape them into balls. That's what the recipe says. So I'm gonna try that. Okay, so we're done, and our cookies look pretty good, I would say. So now we have to put these into the oven for, I think it's like 6 to 10 minutes, which is quite a gap. So I'm gonna start with about 8. Start with 8 minutes. And go from there. Oop. Oop. I will see you guys in 8 minutes. Bye. There it is. Okay, so our cookies are all done, and they've been in for the full 10 minutes. And check them out. Wow, look like little meringues, honestly. It's like, oh, not little. Meringues usually aren't this big. Here are the cookies. They're very colorful because of I forgot what they're called. What are they called? Sprinkles. Yeah. Very colorful. They're cracked on top, so I'm guessing that means that they're ready. And yeah, they look good. Now, I do remember, I think I remember what these taste like. They probably just taste like the cake. So I guess I have to try one. I'm gonna take this one. It's very fluffy. It has a lot of height. I'm eating a cookie with a fork and knife. Awesome. So it does look a little bit underdone. Is that what it's supposed to look like in the middle? I don't know. I need to watch my video again. So I'll try it. Yeah, that's good. Very sweet. Cloyingly sweet. And in the recipe, they wanted me to put icing on top too. Oh my god, that would be just too much. I made about 20. Which is pretty good, honestly. So if you have like a kid's birthday party, or if you have a birthday party, this would be good because they're pretty. You can decorate them if you want with icing and glitter and whatever. But these are good. They taste exactly like the cake, but they're bite-sized basically. And they're easier to make. And they take less supply. Okay, so maybe make these instead of a cake. Yeah, that sounds better. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!